So if you click the first link in the description, you should get to this page. And here you can see it's Linux, it's Mac, and it's Windows. And I'm using a Mac, so I'm just gonna click the Mac. So click on the right one for you, click Save File, and then go into the download folder and unzip the file. Then inside the folder, you can open up the DLTG file. And now if you click the second link in the description, you should come to IOTA-Salad.org. And here's a list of some public nodes. Here you can, for example, see which version of the iRead they're using. And I recommend to always use the latest one, and right now that's 1.5.3. And then you can just copy the address to the clipboard. Now you can go back to the other page again, paste the address and click OK. Then you can hit start and you should start spamming. As you can see, the TPS is starting to go up, and you can also click on the little slide thing to save some browser memory. And if you want to stop the spammer, just click stop. Thank you guys for watching, and as I said, credit goes to Luca Moser at GitHub.